I'm ready, my Lord. There's a lover in the story, but the story's still the same. There's a lullaby for suffering and a paradox to blame, but it's written in the scriptures and it's not some idle claim. You want it darker, we kill the flame. They're lining up the prisoners and the guards are taking him. I struggle with some demons, they were middle class indeed. Didn't know I had permission to murder and to name. You want it darker, I'm ready, my Lord.